Hello students, in the previous video we started with exercise 6b. And there we completed the first two sums, and this exercise was based on the method elimination by equating coefficients. Okay, I hope you have completed the previous video. Always never skip a video, because if you skip anything, everything goes in a sequence. Every video is the continuation of the other video, so never miss a video. Watch everything in sequence. Okay, so let's do the question number 3. We completed the first two questions. Question number 3 is 5y upon 2 minus x upon 3 equals 8 and y upon 2 plus 5x upon 3 equals 12. Okay, now first I will simplify the equation. Okay, I'm using the method equating coefficients, so I'll simplify the equations. What can I do here? Let's take LCM. The LCM here will be 6. So this 3 into 5, this will get multiplied by 3 and this will get multiplied by 2. So 15y minus 2x upon 6 equals 8. And here also the LCM will be 6. So this will be get multiplied by 3 and this by 2. So 3y plus 10x upon 6 equals 12. Okay, now this 6 will go here. 6 into 8. 15y minus 2x equals 8 6 are 48. So this is my first equation. And here the 6 will get multiplied. So 3y plus 10x equals 12 6 are 72. Now I have to equate the equations. So I have to make one variable same. See, this is 15y, this is 3y, this is 2x, this is 10x. Okay, I can make x also equal, I can make y also equal. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे एक और चीज़ है, the x variable is given first and then the y variable is given first and then the x variable, and here also y is first and then you have x. So दोनों में अगर y पहले है तो ठीक है, आपको चाहिए तो आप उसे एक्सचेंज भी कर सकते हो, x पहले लिख सकते हो, y बाद में, doesn't matter, answer will remain the same. So now what can I do? I can equate y or I can equate x. So better होगा मैं x को equate कर लेता हूँ. क्यों? Because x की साइंस डिफरेंट है, माइनस है और प्लस है. When signs are different, you add them. So इसीलिए मैं x को equate करता हूँ. ठीक है, जिसको y करना है वो y भी कर सकता है. 15y है और 3y है. So अगर ये equation को you multiplied by 5, so this will become 15y. 15y, then you can subtract the equations. तो उससे भी हो जाएगा. और x यहाँ पे 2x है, यहाँ पे 5x है. So I'll multiply this equation by 5. So जिससे ये x 2x का 10x बन जाएगा. Okay. So I am using this. So I will multiply equation 1 by 5. So when I multiply this, this will become 75y minus 10x equals 240. Okay, and this is my second equation. So I'll copy this equation here. 3y plus 10x equals 72. ठीक है, सी क्यों मैंने x को इक्वेट किया? बिकॉज अब साइंस डिफरेंट है. मैंने बताया था व्हेन साइंस आर डिफरेंट यू विल ऐड द टू इक्वेशंस, एंड व्हेन साइंस आर सेम मीन्स अगर दोनों प्लस या दोनों माइनस है देन यू सबट्रैक्ट. सबट्रैक्शन में साइंस वगैरह चेंज करना होता है, थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा स्टेप है. सो ऐड करना हमेशा ईजी है. सो आई विल ऐड द इक्वेशंस. 75 plus 3 will give me 78y. This will get cancelled, equals, this will be 312. Okay, then y is equals to 312 upon 78. I'll have to divide now 312 and 78. So how will I divide it? 78 ones are 78 fours are. So I will get y as 4. Once I have y as 4, I can substitute the value of y in any equation to get the value of x. Okay, so let's say I substitute in this equation. I can use any equation, I'm using this one. So put y equals 4 in equation 2. Okay, so 3 into 4, see this, in the place of y I have written 4 plus 10x equals 72, then 12 plus 10x equals 72, 10x equals 72 minus 12, that is 60. Okay, so x is equals to 60 upon 10, that is 6. Okay, I've got the value of x as 6 and y as 4. So my final answer is 6, 4. Okay, so now I think the concept is pretty clear. Now the sums which I'll do will be for practice. So all the sums are same till question number 8. All sums are same. I'll solve question number 4. I'll do a few steps of question number 4. Remaining you can do it on your own because it's easy. See, the question says 1 upon 5 into x minus 2 equals 1 upon 4 into 1 minus x. Now when you cross multiply this 4 will go here. So 4 into x minus 2 equals this 5 will go here. 5 into 1 minus x. Open the brackets. 4x minus 8 equals 5 minus 5y. Shift this 5y on the left hand side. 4x plus 5y equals, this minus 8 will go there and become plus 8. So 4x plus 5y equals 13. So answer means the first equation is this. Okay, the second equation is already given in the question properly. The second equation is 26x plus 3y plus 4 equals 0. This is the second equation. If you shift the 4 on the right hand side, you will get 26 plus 3y equals minus 4. Okay, now I will have to equate any one coefficient. So I can do x or I can do y. Y seems easier. See, 5 or 3, the LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. So I will multiply, let's say this is equation 2. So I will multiply this equation by 5 and this equation by 3. इसको 5 से करूँगा तो this will become 15. इसको 3 से करूँगा तो this will become 15. So y same हो जाएगा. ठीक है, x भी कर सकते थे. The LCM would have been 52. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा बड़ा नंबर होता तो इसीलिए y किया. ठीक है, तो अभी इसको मल्टीप्लाई करते 3 से, you will get 12x plus 15y equals 39. And this next equation 26 into 5, that is 130. X plus 15y equals minus 4 into 5 is minus 20. Okay, अब ये plus 15 है, same sign, so I will subtract. माइनस माइनस एंड देयर इज ऑलरेडी माइनस. मैंने क्या बताया था, जब सबट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो जो ये नीचे का इक्वेशन है उसके साइंस चेंज हो जाती है. सो ये प्लस था तो माइनस हो गया, ये माइनस था ऑलरेडी तो ये प्लस हो गया. ठीक है, साइंस विल चेंज. नाउ 12x minus 30x. 12x minus 30x is minus 118x. Cancel. Now 39 plus 20. 39 plus 20 is 59. Then x equals 59 upon 118. minus 118. So 59 ones are 59 twos are. Your answer for x is minus 1 upon 2. Okay, answer for x is minus 1 upon 2. Now put this value, put minus 1 upon 2, sorry, x is equals to minus 1 upon 2 in any equation, whichever you feel right. Put it in equation 2, ये थोड़ा छोटा equation है, ठीक है. And this I want you to do it on your own. Put करके y की value find करो, ठीक है. Pause the video and find the value of y and complete this sum here. Okay, complete this sum. Copy this part first, these two equations, and then this calculation. Now the fifth question. The fifth question is very easy. Actually, fifth question is y is equals to 2x minus 6 and y is equals to 0. They have given you that y is equals to 0. So put the value of y in this equation. Put the value of y here. 0 is equals to 2x minus 1. You can even write a statement here. This is 1. Put y is equals to 0 in equation 1. Okay, minus 6 will go there, so 6 is equals to 2x. 2 will come in the denominator. 6 upon 2 is x, so x is 3. हो गया सम. कुछ था ही नहीं ये सम में, तो y तो ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ था, x को हमने फाइंड किया सब्सटीट्यूट करके. सम इज डन. Okay, sixth sum. I'll make the equation for you. बाकी आप कर सकते हो, थोड़ा खुद से ट्राई करना होगा आपको. x माइनस वाई अपॉन 6 इक्वल्स टू 4 माइनस एक्स. सी सिंप्लीफाइड इक्वेशन नहीं देंगे वो, ठीक है. यू हैव टू सिंप्लीफाई द इक्वेशन ऑन योर ओन. सो दिस 6 विल गो हियर. x माइनस वाई इज 12 इंटू 4 माइनस एक्स. x माइनस वाई इज, ओपन द ब्रैकेट, 12 4 is 48 minus 12x. Now shift this minus 12x here, so it will become plus 12x minus y equals 48. So 13x minus y equals 48. This is your first equation. Okay, and second equation क्या है? I am doing the sixth sum. Second equation you will get it easily. 2x plus y equals 3x minus 4. Just open this bracket. So 2x plus y equals 3x minus 12. 3x will come here. So 2x minus 3x हो जाएगा. You will get minus x plus y equals minus 12. Okay. अब देखो ये सब में एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है. आगे का पार्ट आपको खुद को करना है. बट यू डोंट नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई इट विद एनीवन. ठीक है, किसी से मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना. मतलब आप लिख सकते हो कि मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1. क्यों नहीं करना? बिकॉज दिस इज माइनस वाई है यहाँ पे, एंड हियर देयर इज प्लस वाई. सो ऑलरेडी सेम है दोनों, तो सीधा कैंसिल हो जाएगा माइनस वाई प्लस वाई. सीधा ऊपर नीचे लिखो एंड ऐड बोथ द इक्वेशंस, क्योंकि साइन डिफरेंट है. माइनस वाई है और प्लस वाई है, सो ऐड बोथ द इक्वेशंस. ओके, ट्राई दिस. आई होप यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट. Just see like this. Place the equations one above the other like this. And the second equation is minus x plus y equals minus 12. Just add both the equations. Add करोगे तो ये y cancel होगा. 13x minus x. ठीक है, add करने पे कोई sign change नहीं होती. Okay. So 13x minus x is 12x. And 48 minus 12 is 36. So x मिल जाएगा 3. Okay. This is how you complete the sum. After you find x, substitute and find the value of y also. Okay, that's it for question number 6. The seventh sum, I leave it for you to solve. You can do it, it is not that difficult. Eighth sum, I'll do it for you. This is the first equation. Shift the minus 3 on the right hand side. So you will get 2x minus 3y equals 3 and name it as equation 1. The second equation given is 2x upon 3 plus 4y plus half equals 0. Now let's take LCM here. Okay, so LCM will be 6. So this will get multiplied with 2. This will get multiplied because denominator में कुछ नहीं है, means 1 है. So 6 से multiply करना होगा and this will get multiplied with 3. So you will have 4x plus 6 4s are 24y plus 3 into 1 is 3 upon 6 equals 0. Correct? correct ना. यहाँ पे 6 2 से multiply किया तो 6 हो गया, यहाँ पे 6 से multiply किया तो denominator became 6 and here you multiplied with 3. Now shift this 0. 6 will get multiplied with 0. 6 into 0 will be 0. So denominator गया. ठीक है, 0 into 6 0 हो जाएगा ये. ओके, and then is plus 3 को I will shift there. 4x plus 24y will give me minus 3. This will be my equation 2. Okay. Now I can see this equation and this equation. Which variable, which coefficient can I make same? Y or x, whichever is easier. X look easy. See, there is 4x here and there is 2x here. So सिर्फ इस equation को 2 से अगर multiply कर देंगे तो this will become 4x. Correct? So let's multiply equation 1 by 2. Multiply this by 2, you will get 4x minus 6y equals 6. 2 से multiply हो गया ना ये. Okay, and दूसरा equation is this. So let's write as it is, minus 3. Now the signs are same. plus 4 है दोनों. ठीक है, दोनों साइन सेम है तो I will subtract. So subtract करेंगे तो नीचे की इक्वेशन की साइन चेंज होगी. माइनस, दिस प्लस विल बिकम माइनस एंड दिस माइनस विल बिकम प्लस. ओके, 4x minus 4x cancel. Minus 6y minus 24y. Minus 6y minus 24y is minus 30y equals 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay, then y is 9 upon minus 30. So 3 3s are 3 10s are. So you will get y as minus 3 upon 10. Y is minus 3 upon 10. Once you get y, you can easily substitute the value in any equation and you can get the value of x. Okay, substitute भी कर देता हूँ मैं यहाँ से. Next step, put y in equation 2. इस equation में put कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, so 4x plus 24. In the place of y I'll write minus 3 upon 10 equals minus 3. So 4x plus 24 into 3 is 72. Okay, so minus 3 तो minus 72 हो जाएगा. So 4x minus 72 upon 10 equals minus 3. Now this 10 will get multiplied with 4. LCM 10 into 4. 40x minus 72 upon 10 equals minus 3. This 10 will get multiplied with minus 3. 40x minus 72 will become minus 30. So now I'll shift this minus 72 to minus 72 here. 40x is plus 72 minus 30. that is 42. Cancel this, 40 came in the denominator, cancel this, 2 21s are, 2 20s are. So x is 21 upon 20. This is my answer. Okay. Once you understand this concept of equating the coefficients, everything else will become very easy. Understanding the concept is important. Then this substitution part is same as all other questions. Pause the video and copy it. Next sum. Now the question number 9 and question number 10 are different type of sums which will require a small change in the method, a certain 2 extra steps to make the sum easy. So I'll keep that sum on hold. We'll complete that sum after doing 3-4 more sums based on this same type. Okay, so to maintain the continuity, we'll solve these simple sums first and then I'll take question number 9 and 10. So let's see the question number 11 first. Okay, we have two equations and then find the value of x minus 3y and 5y minus 2x. Okay, so we have these two equations. 2x plus y is 23 and 4x minus y is 19. In question number 11 you have these two equations. Okay, so first let's find the value of x and y. Okay, so you see there is no need to multiply, the coefficient is already same, plus y minus y. So simply add the equations, add करेंगे so y will get cancelled, plus y minus y. 2x plus 4x is 6x equals 39 plus 3 42. So 23 plus 19 is 42. So x is 42 upon 6, that is 7. So x मिल गया 7, बहुत easily मिल गया. ठीक है. Once you have the value of x, substitute in the first equation. You can substitute in any equation. So x is, तो the first equation क्या था? Let's write a statement. Put x in equation 1. So equation 1 is 2x plus y equals 23. Let's substitute x here. So 2 into 7 plus y equals 23. 7 2s are 14. Okay, this 14 will shift here. So y is 23 minus 14. So y क्या मिलेगा? 9. ओके, अब ये फाइनल आंसर नहीं है x और y मिलने के बाद. दे हैव आस्क्ड यू टू फाइंड समथिंग एल्स. ओके, क्या पूछा है? फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x माइनस 3y. x माइनस 3y की वैल्यू फाइंड करो. ठीक है, सो मुझे पता है x क्या है. x इज 7 माइनस 3y. 3y मीन्स 3 इंटू वाई क्या है? 9. सो जो x और y की वैल्यू मिली है ना, वो यहाँ पे पुट करना है. ठीक है, सो 7 माइनस 9 3 जा 27. So 7 minus 27 is minus 20. Okay. Now once you have minus 20, एक और चीज़ की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है and that is 5y minus 2x. So किसकी वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है? 5y minus 2x. So 5y means 5 into 9 minus 2 into x is 7. 7. 9 5s are 45 minus 2 7s are 14. So this will become 31. सो फर्स्ट पार्ट जो इसका आंसर है दैट इज -20 और जो इसका आंसर है 5y - 2x दैट इज 31. ठीक है, दैट वाज डिफरेंट अबाउट दिस सम दैट यू डिडंट हैव टू स्टॉप आफ्टर फाइंडिंग x एंड y. फिर ये भी फाइंड करना है x - 3y और 5y - 2x, तब जाके आंसर करेक्ट आएगा. ओके, 12th sum, the question number 12 is exactly same. You have to apply the same method. First you have to find x and y, and then you have to substitute the values to find 4x plus 6y and 8y minus x. So 12th sum, pause the video and complete the 12th sum now in classwork. I should see this sum in the classwork also. Okay, not only in the homework, in the classwork also I want to see this sum. Okay, pause the video, solve this sum now, the 12th one. Okay, we have completed till question number 12. Now see, from 13 to 19, these questions which are there, all the sums are more or less same, and I mean in all the sums you have to solve the equation simultaneously. There is no different rule in that. Only the steps, only the part where you simplify and make two equations, that part will get complicated. ठीक है, तो बड़े बड़े क्वेश्चंस देंगे, उनको पहले सिंप्लीफाई करो, दो इक्वेशंस बनाओ एंड देन इक्वेटिंग कोएफिशिएंट्स करना है. ठीक है, सो जो सिंप्लीफिकेशन वाला पार्ट है दे आर इंक्रीजिंग दैट, उसकी लेवल वो इंक्रीज करते रहेंगे. ठीक है, सो जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 है, देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 17, 18, 19, these questions, इसमें बहुत सारा सिंप्लीफिकेशन है. देन यू विल गेट टू इक्वेशंस and after which you have to equate the coefficients. Okay, so these questions थोड़े lengthy questions है, थोड़ा इनको बाद में करेंगे. पहले जो word problem types questions है उन पे focus करते हैं. Okay, so 14, 15 and 16, let's focus on these questions first, जो थोड़े different है, जिसमें कुछ सीखने मिलेगा. 14 sum, ठीक है, and we are also left with 9 and 10, 9, 10, 13, 17, 18 and 19. Maybe we'll complete this in the next video. Okay, so 14 sum में क्या दिया है? Find the value of m if x is 2 and y is 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y equals m. बोला है the solution of this equation is x is 2 and y is m. So कुछ नहीं करना, बस values put करो यहाँ पे. x is 2, y is 1. So 4 plus 3 is m, therefore m is 7. Right, done, sum is done. कुछ करना नहीं था, बहुत ही सिंपल था. It looked different but it was easy actually. Okay, now in the 15th sum also they are saying 10% of x plus 20% of y equals 24. अब इसका क्या मतलब? 10% of x means 10 upon 100x. Okay, and 20% of y means 20 upon 100y equals 24. So let's simplify this. ये 0 0 cancel, यहाँ पे ये 0 0 cancel. Okay, so क्या बचा? x upon 10 plus 2y upon 10 equals 24. मैंने इसको पर्पसली कैंसिल नहीं किया, 2 1s are 2 5s are, क्योंकि एलसीएम लेना पड़ता वापस. सो बेटर टू कीप इट 10 ओनली, बिकॉज दोनों डिनोमिनेटर सेम है. नो नीड टू टेक एलसीएम. यू कैन डायरेक्टली राइट अपॉन 10 इक्वल्स 24. दिस 10 विल गो देयर, सो x plus 2y equals 240. This is my first equation. Second equation is already given in the question, that is 3x माइनस वाई इक्वल्स 20. अब इसमें से एक वेरिएबल को सेम करना है. ओके, किसको सेम करे? लेट्स मेक y इक्वल. सो यहाँ पे y है, यहाँ पे 2y है. सो आई विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस इक्वेशन बाय 2. इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो दिस विल बिकम 6x minus 2y equals 40. Okay, and let's name this as equation 2. Now add 1 and 2. So this is my one equation, x plus 2y equals 240, and this is my second equation, 6x minus 2y equals 40. Now as the signs are different, plus 2y minus 2y, it will directly get subtracted. No need to subtract, सिर्फ ऐड कर देना है, because signs different है तो ऐड करेंगे. Directly cancel. x plus 6x is 7x. 240 plus 40 is 280. So x is 280 upon 7. 7 ones are 7 fours are. So x is 40. You will get x as 40. Once you have x as 40, substitute this in equation, in any of the equation, to find the value of y. Let's say I substitute in this equation, the small equation. So put x is equals to 40 in this equation. So let's put 40 in the place of x. I'll put 3 into 40 minus y equals 0. 40 into 3 is 120, minus y is 0, so minus y equals 120 will go there and become minus 120. So minus y equals minus 100, so y is 100. X is 40, y is 100. Okay. Now let's do question number 16. Pause the video and copy this. See, read the question carefully. The value of expression mx minus ny is 3. The value of expression mx minus ny is 3 when x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 6. So they are saying when x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 6. So let's substitute this in the equation. X को 5 और y को 6. So x को 5 put करता हूँ. So m into 5 minus n into 6 equals 3. So this will become 5m minus 6n equals 3. Correct? And let's name this as equation 1. Second देखते हैं. And its value is 8. Its value मतलब इसकी value mx minus ny की पहले value 3 थी when x was 5 and y is 6. But mx minus ny, the second part they are saying, and its value is 8, means mx minus ny is 8 when x is 6 and y is 5. ठीक है, सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देते हैं. x is 6 means m into 6 minus n into 5 equals 8. So this will become 6m minus 5n equals 8. This is your equation 2. Okay, so this is the way in which they gave you the equations. Now you have the equation. Now you can solve this equation simultaneously and find the value of m and n. Okay, so your aim was to find the value of m and n. But वो equations बना कैसे? ये x और y की value use करके. ठीक है, so पहले कहा था कि mx minus ny is 3, तो put x is 5, y is 6. So वो put किया, you got this equation. Then said x is 6 and y is 5, so वो put किया and value is 8. So उससे दूसरा equation मिला. Once you have these two equations, solve them simultaneously. So acha, before that we have to make sure the LCM. So यहाँ पे you can equate anything. So let's say I equate m. So 5 और 6, 5 और 6 का LCM क्या होगा? 5 into 6 is 30. So multiply this equation by 6 and this equation by 5. So इसको 6 से multiply करते हैं. You can show the multiplication also if you want. So 30m minus 36n equals 6 3s are 18. Multiply this with 5. So 30m minus 25n equals 5 into 8 is 40. Okay. Now 30m, signs are same. So subtraction. Minus, this minus will become plus, and here again minus. 30m minus 30m is 0. Minus 36 plus 25. Minus 36 plus 25 is minus 11n equals 18 minus 40. 18 minus 40 is minus 22. Minus minus cancel. N is 11 upon 22 upon 11, that is 2. Once you have the value of n as 2, you can easily find m. So let's select first equation ले लेते हैं. Okay, so put n is equals to 2 in equation 1. ऐसे लिख देंगे. Okay, so mx, sorry, equation 1 is this, जिसमें वैल्यू पुट कर दिया था. ठीक है. सो 5m minus 6n is 3. 5m minus 6 into 2 equals 3. 5m minus 12 is 3. So 5m is 12 will go there and get add 3 plus 12. So 3 plus 12 होगा 15. So m is 15 upon 5, that is 3. So you get the value of m as 3 and n was already 2. Okay, with this we complete the question number 16. Now a few questions are left that I'll be doing in the next exercise, because those questions, one type is very important about question number 9 and 10. That type I have to teach you. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.